Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to set up the Action dashboard today. It's for SmartThings and it's actually known as Smarttiles now, and you can find them at smarttiles.click or Smarttiles on Twitter. I'm going to show you a couple websites. These URLs or links are in the show notes of episode 24. But the first one is the Action dashboard website where we're going to find the code. The second one here is the SmartThings community, so if you need help with this product, you can always check out the forums there as well. And the IDE for SmartThings. And if you don't have one, here's where you will sign up for one or log in as well for that website. The links are in episode 24. So we're going to start off with the Action dashboard site, and we're going to download the Smart app. And what this will do is give us some code. We just have to copy it all here. So start at the top, highlight all the way down to the bottom. It is pretty long, so make sure you get it all. And it's very important that you actually get that last little character there as well. That completes the code. So we're going to copy that. Now go log into the IDE and then click on Smart Apps. And if you already have some, you'll see some there, but it may be blank. Click on New Smart App, and then we're going to do From Code. So all that you copied, just go ahead and paste it right on in there and hit Create. It says pretty easy as that. There is one more step that we have to do. So once the web page goes through and it creates your code, you want to click on App Settings and then scroll down to OAuth. You can change the name and customize that here if you want, but I would leave it the same. Make sure you give the author the credit. So we're going to enable OAuth, and then we're going to scroll down and hit Update. And go back to code. You can kind of make sure it's all there. And then we're going to publish. We're going to publish it for me, and now it's available on your Smart app. So go ahead, we're going to switch over here to the SmartThings application on your mobile phone. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of your dashboard and hit the plus sign. Scroll the top banner there, scroll it all the way to the right to My Apps, and then you'll see the Action Dash. Click on there. Now here is a lot of options. So the first thing is Things, what you want to control. You can go through here and enable pretty much everything you have, and this will show up on the dashboard. I'm only going to enable a few. Let's try a lock here. So there's the front door lock, and then you can also have your music players and things like that you can control as well. So let's see whatever here. We got the contacts for when the doors open and shut, and oh man, there's all kinds of options. So you've got plenty of things that you can go through here, and just whatever you check will show up on your dashboard. When we're done here, just we're going to click on Done at the top. Make sure we double check everything's showing up okay. And then you have some video streams you can configure if you want to get into the advanced features there. But we're going to go ahead and look at preferences on the bottom too. Now see red. I wonder what that means. So if you try to get out of here and complete the app, you may get an error. So I'm going to try to duplicate this error here. Nope. Let me go ahead and change that clock to digital. Sorry about that. But oh, there it is. There's the error. All right. So we got to, you notice how theme lights is highlighted in red? We have to go there and make an option. I don't know why it's not by default, but that's maybe an issue that you're going to run into. So now that we're all green, let's go ahead and hit Done. And double check everything. Yeah, it looks good. If you want to add more things or customize it, go ahead and go into that, go back into the things, but go ahead and click Next. Now here's important. We got to click on that URL. And in this box is actually URL. Just tap. You actually have to tap once and then tap and hold if you're using iOS. And that will let you select all and then copy. So hit Done. And then you're actually finished unless you want to have the URL sent to you via text message. So go ahead and hit Done again. Now you're back to the initial add a new app. You can close out of that and you can go into your My Apps on the dashboard there, and you notice it showed up okay. So that URL, switch back over to the computer and paste that into your web browser. Oh, there it is. There's all the things that we checked. You can lock and unlock the door by clicking on it, a web interface. This works great on a tablet as well. Obviously turning on and off the lights and some motion controls. If you think things aren't syncing up right, you can always hit the refresh. Now, how did I get that from my phone to the computer? Well, you can text that URL to yourself, email it to yourself, or set it as a bookmark on the phone, and there you go. Now here's the website, smarthomehq.net/024, and there's all the links for those websites I showed you. So check out the podcast. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this and you're able to get your own Action dashboard, or now Smarttiles, set up and working great on your own system. Thanks for your time, and look forward to the next video and the next podcast.